Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Dodge's 1997 to 2004 Dakota. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Move any lines and power harnesses from the work area. Our part features a perforated plate that, when removed, allows the part to go around your rear cab mount. If you wish to retain your factory mount, remove this plate at this time. Otherwise, cut off your cab mount. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 3. Push the part onto the frame while using the part holes to help with alignment. If you plan on repairing nearby frame sections, refrain from welding on the left and right outside edges of the part, as you will need that gap to install those neighboring areas. Step 4. Begin welding the part to the frame. If you removed your body mount in Step 2, install or reinstall it at this time. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.